Yeah, this is a Dodge Ram. What we end up doing, we end up adding the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. And basically, somebody busts out the keyhole or busts out the window, the alarm will fire off. He didn't want to install another alarm and carry another fob around. He has everything he needs: alarm, arm, disarm, remote start, everything. So we end up, we suggested we can add the shock sensor kit add-on with the glass break-in sensor, so he can, it will be like if I would have installed an aftermarket alarm without having to hook up an aftermarket alarm. So if anybody tries to bust out the window, the alarm fires off. Pretty much that's it. This is a nice add-on. If you have a Dodge Ram, all Dodge Rams, Challenger, Chargers, Ford, all Ford line, all Honda Accords, pretty much the Lexus line, Corvette, Chevy Tahoe, all those vehicles that have factory alarm systems, they do not come with any type of glass or impact sensor. So anybody can bust out your window with a center hole puncher or a little hammer, or bust out your keyhole. As long as nobody opens the door, the alarm will not trigger. So it's a must upgrade if you don't want to walk out one day and be in a big surprise. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida in Coral Gables by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.